One of my really good friends gave us this stuffed mushrooms recipe to try, and we're going to do that today.
What you'll need is 12 mushrooms, a fourth of a cup of grated parmesan cheese. This is a mixture of a fourth of a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, a fourth of a teaspoon of onion powder, and a fourth of a teaspoon of just pepper. You'll need a tablespoon of oil for sauteing, 2 cloves of garlic, which we're going to put through the garlic press. You'll need 1 package of cream cheese, and this is optional. You can have sliced Parmesan cheese for topping.
Okay, so what we're going to do is we need to remove the stem. So you need to push down a little bit and kind of wiggle the stem. Push it and then wiggle it. And turn it until it breaks out. We're going to chop up the mushroom stems very fine. We're only going to use about 1/3 of it for the mushroom filling. You can save out the rest and use it for omelets or another vegetable sauté. Heat up the olive oil in your skillet. Add in your pressed garlic. Then add your chopped mushroom stems. Next, you're going to want to add the whole block of cream cheese, break it up, and stir. Add your Parmesan. And then add all your seasonings.
So now we're gonna add the sliced cheese. Bake at 350 for 20 minutes.
We only stuffed 12 mushrooms today, but we had enough filling for about 24 of the small to medium sized mushrooms.